President Cyril Ramaphosa has arrived in Washington, D.C., for a pivotal working visit aimed at resetting and revitalizing bilateral relations between South Africa and the United States. Upon arrival, he proceeded to the South African embassy to receive briefings from his ministers ahead of his scheduled meeting with U.S. President Donald Trump on Wednesday, May 21, 2025. The visit comes amid heightened tensions between the two nations. The Trump administration recently granted asylum to 59 white South Africans, citing alleged racial persecution, a move that President Ramaphosa criticized, labeling the asylum seekers as cowards. Additionally, the U.S. has cut funding to South Africa and imposed sanctions, expressing concerns over South Africa's land reform policies and its legal actions against Israel at the International Court of Justice. Objectives of the visit. President Ramaphosa aims to address these diplomatic strains by promoting economic and commercial ties. Discussions are expected to include potential collaborations with U.S. businesses, such as offering favorable tariffs to Tesla in exchange for infrastructure investments in South Africa. The delegation also plans to discuss licensing issues for Elon Musk's satellite company, Starlink, which has faced challenges operating in South Africa due to regulatory concerns. Accompanying President Ramaphosa are key ministers, including Ronald Lamola, International Relations and Cooperation, Khumbudzo Ntshavheni, the Presidency, Parks Tau, Trade, Industry and Competition, John Steenhuisen, Agriculture, and Special Envoy Mcebisai Jonas. While President Ramaphosa has expressed optimism that the visit will yield positive outcomes, the success of the talks will depend on addressing the core issues affecting the bilateral relationship, including human rights concerns, foreign policy alignments, and economic cooperation.